I'm Kage from Scandinavian today. I'm going to make a bread pudding, and I hear that a famous chef is going to serve bread pudding at the upcoming awards ceremony. So I thought, well, why shouldn't I also have some bread pudding when I'm watching the awards, and I hope some of you also will be doing that. So here I'm going to prepare my bread pudding, and I add some apple and also some raisins to my bread pudding. I hope you'll enjoy it. So here I have the ingredients for my honey bread apple raisin bread pudding. And I'm going to use half a cup of honey and a third cup of brown sugar. If you don't have honey and you prefer to use sugar, use just 2 cups of white sugar. That should be fine. I'm going to use 5 eggs. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to use about half a cup of raisins. I have 3 cups of bread, and I have 2 cups of milk here. So first I want to heat up the milk. Okay, I'm pouring it in here to heat it up. And I'm going to add the honey because I want to make sure that the honey gets all dissolved. I am not going to make it too hot, but just, make sure the honey gets dissolved in the milk. And after it's warm enough, I'm going to pour it on the bread. So I'm going to stir it a little bit. Actually, I better add the brown sugar as well. So the milk is warm. It has been mixed with the brown sugar and the honey, and I pour some of it on the bread. Not all of it, because I want to mix some of the milk with the eggs. So here we go. I'm putting the eggs in the bowl. And of course I have 5 eggs. So I'm pouring the milk in and I'm mixing it up like this. Then I'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then I also have raisins. I have half a cup of raisins. I'm adding that. And I have about 1 cup of diced apples. Okay, now I'm going to mix in all the bread. And of course it had already soaked up some of the warm milk. And since I used warm milk on the bread has already soaked it up, and you don't have to leave it to soak up for a long time. Makes it a little easier, I think. So here we pour it in a pan. Press it down. And I'm going to put it up here in water and stick it in the oven. The oven is 350 degrees and I'll bake it for about an hour. Here we have the bread pudding in the water, and it goes in the oven. I have the bread pudding out of the oven. It's still hot, but let me slice it. Ooh, it smells so wonderful. So here is my bread pudding. It's still warm, but not too hot. And also I have some rum sauce here I'm going to put it on my bread pudding. And of course I want to have a bite of this wonderful bread pudding with rum sauce. It's very good. I like it. I hope you would also enjoy it, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you another day.